Okay, so nobody totally prepared me for this, but apparently when it gets cold, ladybugs decided my husband's deer stand is a luxury winter cabin. So today I'm armed with my Black+Decker Dustbuster to clean it out because there's no way I'm sitting in there with 500 tiny little roommates. As soon as I open the door, instantly regret my life choices. They are everywhere, walls, windows, ceiling. So I grab the dustbuster like, okay, let's do this. And honestly, this little thing is powerful. For something this small, it means business. I can start vacuuming, it just sucks it up, gone, gone, gone. No chasing, no smashing, no screaming, just problem solved. And the wide mouth is perfect because I'm not trying to be precise when bugs are involved. Look at this. Before, it's a bug apartment complex, and after, it's a clean hunting stand that I can enjoy sitting in. The stand is clean, no bugs, no trauma. My husband and I can hunt in peace now. And I deserve a reward, I believe. This has got the strong suction, it's cordless, it's lightweight, it's easy to empty, and it works in cars, stands, garages, everywhere. I would definitely recommend this if your husband has an enclosed deer stand and those ladybugs have taken over.